In today's video, I will show you how to create a picture-in-picture. So let's get started. Over here in DaVinci, I have footage from myself. So let's place it here on this layer, video 2. And let's put something underneath, like this screen recording. So in the paid version, there's an easy way to create it. You will just go in Effects, then one more time Effects, and you need to look for DVE. You just simply drop it to your footage, and that's how easy it is to create this one. Picture in picture. You have a lot of presets like this, and it's fully customizable. Let's change border like this, and you're done. But let's create this manually. Select this, and we need to delete the effect. Now, with our footage selected, we just need to change the zoom to something like this, and then either we can go on X and Y axis to change the position, or we can press this icon and simply drag it to the corner that you want. So there's one more way to achieve similar effect like split screen, picture in picture. Let's reset everything, and here in cropping we can crop like this left and push it away. And that's how easy it is to create this effect, guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and see you in the next one.